In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off sound in AnyDesk step by step. This is super useful if you want the person on the other end of the remote session to hear system audio, app sounds, notifications, or media playback from the host computer. And if you ever want to stop sharing sound, I'll show you exactly how to switch it off just as easily. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally use it. Once AnyDesk is open, you'll need to either start a remote session or accept an incoming connection. In other words, sound settings can only be adjusted once the remote connection is active, so make sure you're fully connected before moving to the next step. After the session starts, look for the session control bar. This control bar is usually displayed either at the top or the bottom of the remote session window, depending on your AnyDesk version and your operating system. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse around the session window and it should appear. Now, on the host device, which is the computer being controlled remotely, find the sound icon on that session control bar. It usually looks like a small speaker icon. This is the button that controls whether system audio is being shared through the remote session. If you want to turn sound on, simply click the sound icon. Once it's enabled, AnyDesk will begin sharing the host computer's system audio to the remote device. That means the other user will be able to hear things like application sounds, alert notifications, videos, music, and other playback coming from the host machine. This is especially helpful for remote support screen sharing, training, or troubleshooting because audio can give a lot more context during a session. If at any point you want to turn the sound off, just click the sound icon again. As soon as you do that, AnyDesk will stop transmitting the host computer's system audio to the remote device. The remote user will no longer hear sound from the host machine, which is useful if you want a quieter session or if you only want to share the screen without audio. So really, the process is simple. Open AnyDesk, connect to a session, find the session control bar, click the sound icon to turn audio on, and click it again to turn audio off. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.